Can I freeze marinated chicken instead of storing it in the fridge?
Hello, and welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll be discussing whether or not it's possible to freeze marinated chicken instead of storing it in the fridge. Let's get started.
What is marinated chicken?
First, let's define what marinated chicken is. Marinating is the process of soaking meat in a flavored liquid, often a mixture of oil, acid, and spices, in order to enhance its flavor and texture. Marinated chicken is chicken that has been soaked in a marinade for a period of time, typically several hours or overnight, before being cooked.
Freezing marinated chicken.
Now that we know what marinated chicken is, let's answer the question, can you freeze it? The answer is yes, you can freeze marinated chicken. In fact, freezing marinated chicken can be a great way to save time and prepare meals in advance.
Tips for freezing marinated chicken.
However, there are a few things to keep in mind when freezing marinated chicken. Here are some tips. Make sure the chicken is completely coated in the marinade. This will help protect it from freezer burn and ensure that the flavors are evenly distributed. Use a freezer-safe container or bag. Make sure the container or bag you use is designed for freezer storage and is airtight. Label and date the container or bag. This will help you keep track of how long the chicken has been frozen and ensure that you use it before it goes bad. Thaw the chicken properly. When you're ready to cook the chicken, make sure to thaw it properly in the fridge overnight rather than on the counter at room temperature. This will help prevent the growth of harmful bacteria. So, to answer the question, yes, you can freeze marinated chicken instead of storing it in the fridge. Just make sure to follow the tips we've discussed to ensure that the chicken stays fresh and flavorful. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!